fucking dumb bitch.
Take the picture!
I'm taking a video, dumbass. This is what happens when you pull a fucking Raymond. Look at his broken ankle too right there.
No, take a picture so I can put it on Facebook.
Put this video on Facebook.
Hurry up! I'm cold!
Stand up then!
I can't!
You fucking dumb bitch! Get up!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, I'm shaking!
The bottomless snowman.
Oh my god, no, really! I can't get up. Oh my god!
Fucking Raymond.
Fuck! Not hoot.
Holy fuck, it gets good at the end. Holy shit.
Fuck.
Why'd you fucking drop it, you dumb bitch?
You broke it!
Oh.
Give me that. Let's go.